Paolo Ang.
Paolo Ang.
Team Mad Cart, Paolo. The boys from Taguban also. Paolo Ang. Paolo Ang.
So hi guys, welcome to my first vlog. So mag-race tayo sa Clark. Magpa-participate tayo sa Toyota Gazoo Racing PH Cup 2025. Bakit ako nagba-vlog? Kasi gusto kong i-document lang yung yung mga nangyayari. So yun, first time ko lang gagawin to, so nakakahiya actually, pero wala. Para meron akong mapapanood, di ba? Pagtanda ako, may mapapakita ako sa mga apo ko, di ba? Ayos ba? Ngayon ay Wednesday, August 6. Ang official na race day ay August 8 and 9. So August 7 to 9 yun. Pero yung 7 kasi August 7 is official practice yun, whole day yun. So ngayon August 6, pupunta na tayo ng Clark kasi tayo ay magpa-practice. So time check, it's 8:32 AM. So ayan, wala naman talaga tayong plano mag-vlog, kaya lang kasi bumili ako ng camera na to for onboard video dapat during race. Ang ganda kasi ng camera, so naisip ko mag-document na lang din ako, might as well film ko na buo, sama ko na kayo, ganun. Ako kasi fan kasi ako ng vlogs, lagi ako nanonood, so natutuwa lang ako dun sa idea na, di ba, kahit 10 years ago pa yan, meron silang napabalik-balikan, ganun, napapanood nila, ganun. So ako kasi super special kasi sa akin yung race dahil syempre childhood dream siya. So yun, hindi natin alam kung hanggang kailan tayo makakasali sa ganito. So thank you sa Mudcart dahil binigyan nila ako ng opportunity na makasali or makapag-race. So nagda-drive pala tayo guys under Mudcart's name. So we're gonna represent natin yung team Mudcart sa Clark, no? So anong expectin natin dito sa video? Wala, kalokohan, ganun. So short story para may idea kayo kung paano tayo napunta dito, di ba? 2 years ago ba? Not so sure. Basta pag-open ng Mudcart sa Dagupan, so nag-start tayo maglaro doon, kasama lang yung mga friends natin, ganun. Kami lang. Tapos yun, so may mga competition tayong sinalihan doon. So nag-start lang talaga tayo sa Mudcart. So pero even before naman, college days or high school, college days, ganyan, mahilig na tayong syempre sa kotse, ganun. Natry ko din palang sumali ng hill climb or paano ba? Hill climb, time attack, way back 2020 bago mag-lockdown, bago mag-pandemic. So nanalo tayo doon, nag-P2 tayo doon, chamba, syempre. Tapos so yun, nagma-mudcart lang tayo 2 years ago, go-kart, karting. So try nyo doon guys, the best doon. Yun lang naman, so doon nag-start, laro-laro, nanalo tayo ng mga competition sa mudcart, ganyan. Until one day, kinausap ako ng may-ari ng mudcart na tinanong ako kung game daw ba ako na sumali ng Vios Cup. So syempre sa una nakakaba dahil hindi naman tayo sigurado na kaya natin. Sila din, hindi din naman sila sigurado dahil sa cart lang naman nila ako nakikita. So pakita ko dyan dito yung mga pictures from yung pinakaunang race namin. So ito kasi last leg na kasi to ng season. So ito na yung last race, tapos wala na, tapos na, next year na ulit. So yun, hindi pa tayo makapag-vlog ng mga unang race natin kasi wala naman talaga sa plano to. So gusto ko lang ikwento, share ko lang. So kita tayo dun. Yun guys, so nandito na tayo sa Clark. Touchdown, it's 9:48. So, yun. Sila oh. So, photoshoot yata sila guys. Tara. Samahan nyo ako guys. Hello, hello. Photoshoot ah. Hi.
Hey, what's up? Hi, shout out sa mga viewers.
Oh, hacker. Andy.
Watch out, watch out.
So, tignan natin sila Mike. Practice na sila. So, yun na sila. Tignan natin. Hello! Kaya, morning. Lou, so magkano ang kailangan natin bayadan?
4.
4?
Vlogging.
Say hi. Ate, pwede ko bang papalitan yung name ng receipt?
Yes po, pwede mo.
Palagay na lang po, mud card.
Malcor.
Thank you. Yan, thank you ate. Okay. Init! So, kailangan muna natin magbayad para makarun. So, nagbayad tayo ng 4,000 para sa kotse, tapos 2,000 yata pag motor. Donut! Donut Garage! 86. So ito na si Raymond guys. Tulak, tulak.
Check. Attention, all motor riders. First stop is runway. Attention, all motor riders. First stop is runway.
Tulak.
All motor riders.
Mike.
First stop is
Halika ka naman dyan. Kamusta?
Okay naman. Hindi naman ganun kadulas yung track ngayon. Compared sa dati, before race week.
Madulas,
talaga.
hindi mo makuha. Transponder, nakakuha ka na?
Di pa, di pa. Ano pa, sa Friday pa yan, transponder.
Okay.
So yun,
So ngayon free practice lang talaga.
Tapos
Takbo lang.
manual lap times.
Okay. So si Mike tsaka si Raymond sa Sporting sila naglalaro. Si Aya Ice, yun, yung blue. Sa Super Sporting. Tapos kami ni Louie sa Legacy. Yan, yung dalawa. So ilan babanggayin mo ngayon?
Mga 5. Hindi, 17 sila eh. 17 na sila. So, 17 in the class.
Si Mike kasi malakas mambangga eh.
15.
So,
Nakita niyo ba yung baon ko kanina? May baon ako kanina,
Ano?
headlight.
ready ka na?
15 drivers out. Pang 16 ako eh, last one. Kaya sabi ko nga, maka 1-2-1-2 lang kami sa sprint. Sa endurance, kahit siya lang yung 1.
Okay na.
Tapos tanong niya, bakit? Anong pwesto ko?
Oh.
Hindi kami tatapos. May dadamay ako. Let's go down together.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel like
Yan. So, nag-i-install sila ng weights. Kotse.
Dito na lang, kaya.
Hay ka muna. Anong ginagawa?
Scrutiny ring. So, check that. Selyo. Stickers. Headlight.
Anong ginagawa sa kotse mo?
Ha?
Anong ginagawa sa kotse mo?
na.
Uy, nawasak yung kotse niya, guys.
Sinisilipan.
Tapos ka talaga.
Paano lang ako sa amo mo?
Makikita niya to. Ayaw mo, umano daw siya sa'yo. Manyakis ka daw.
Boss Mau! Let's meet up si Mike. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Go! Or kaya, hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Yup. Check.
So, nandito po.
Pakita natin si Idol. Si Idol. Idol.
Idol, sample nga dyan siyang gano'n.
Oh! Yan, kulit mo eh. Kulit mo ha.
Pag-vlog ko yan eh.
Ano lang, document lang.
Tama po. Wala kang page yan.
Ha?
Wala kang page.
Wala.
So, di ba page ka na?
Ano lang to, sariling ano lang.
Nakikita ko.
Ha?
Sigat yan.
Lumilipad ka na sa legacy.
Hindi oh.
Na? Ilagay ko cellphone ko doon, hinangin nung ikaw naman.
Grabe! Nabubola to, nabubola to.
Totoo lang, may video pa ako nun. Nakikita sa video, ikaw yung dumaan.
Legit?
Ang daming dumaan eh. Sa'yo lang bumagsak eh.
Maingay kasi tong kotse ko eh. Oo, madami ako niyan sa loob. Madami ako niyan. Kill switch. Kill switch. Kill switch. Ah, suit?
It's your side if it's available. You
Suit?
can mark it.
Pero diba kung...
Open pa? Bagong laba eh.
Checkpoint yan. Checkpoint.
Miss ko na din. So, tapos na yung practice. Kaso, umulan. So, wala na. So, good morning guys, no? Day 2. Punta na tayo sa Clark. Kasi malilate na tayo. 7:20 na guys. First practice starts at 8:20 yata. So sorry hindi naka-vlog kagabi dahil napagod din talaga. Tsaka wala akong videographer kasi. So nahihirapan ako. Pero antayin natin sila Boss K, kasi pupunta sila dito bukas para meron na tayong videographer, di ba? Well, practice lang naman kahapon. Baka nakatatlong run lang ata kami dahil umulan nung hapon. So hindi na kasi ako tumakbo nung hapon Pero meron akong onboard clips na nakuha kahapon. So try kong insert dyan. Waze natin guys. So nice no. Natry ko yung cam na to kahapon kasi the old cam that I was using is yung GoPro luma GoPro 7 ata. Kuya, Toyota Dagupan.
Ay, Dagupan na sige.
Yeah, thank you.
Good luck, Dagupan.
Sabi niya good luck Dagupan. Thank you kuya. Sana magdilang anghel ka. Kuya, good morning. Good morning, Tito Doc. Mag-ayos muna tayo guys. Mamaya na. Bye-bye. So mag-register na daw tayo. Secretariat.
What's up, sir?
What's up, sir? So kumuha ng mga stickers, mga patch ng mga sponsors na kailangan ilagay. Meron ding parang 86 day ata. So ayan. Si Raymond may dalang shabu.
Secret sauce to, bro.
Guys, so katatapos nung first practice for today. So pakita ko yung time. So ito yung time ko. So best time natin for ngayong practice ay 2:25.76. Pero underweight yung kotse, so nag-a-add kami ng weights doon sa kotse. Nakita ko kulang ng 30 kilos. So, problema kasi lahat ng weights ko nilagay nila sa left side, sa likod nung driver seat. Hindi balance yung kotse lahat ng bigat nasa left, walang weight yung right ko. So, pag kumakawala yung right, magpapakita ko yung clip dito. Muntikan ako umikot ilang beses pero insert ko dyan yung clip. Sir, salamin? Hindi na? Okay.
Hangin na lang ng gulong.
Hangin. Practice session ni Raymond. Nila Mike. First.
Let's go!
First session. So, transponder. Baka matark yung car pag umiikot. Para yung time namin makita. So, dinidikit ko sa kotse. So, nakakabit ko sa hood. Na-adjust kasi matigas, masyadong matigas.
May dahon-dahon lang pa.
Papaswerte ko yan dito, Doc. Ang dami yan, kahit sa loob. Naligaw.
Kasi isa matigas, bilang pag ganun ko, bilang
Dalawa yun. Ina-adjust yung suspension, pinapalambot konti lang. So nandito na yung chef namin. Chef! Meet our chef. Siya yung pinakamalakas sa class namin.
No, that's not.
Very-
Making sense. Just no.
Yan yung kotse niya. Yan.
Hey, they took out my plate number. Good. You like my Frankenstein?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, I wanted it to be X's nga sana eh. But it looks like a broken teddy bear.
Yeah.
But the guy just went straight for it. But I swear, next round, man, that's gonna be all X's and stuff. I see you, man.
Alright. Tanggal lang ako ng gamit. Kasi ang init. So nakapila pa din. So antay lang. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya paano winobay yung mga kotse. Okay, ikaw ulit.
Haka na naman, nandiyan na naman ako.
Diyan ka na naman.
Post mo na yan, sir, para nakapalo ako.
Sige.
Yun.
Every after race, ganun. Dadaan kami doon. So way in, check lahat. So, pagbalik ng paddock, ay. Ano dyan? Ate Dai.
Hi.
Nabangga. Pwede? Tingnan namin. Baka kasi dito guys, kakatapos umulan. So pag nilabas mo dito, pwede kang ikot ka na talaga, diretso ka na.
Madlapas mo na control.
Ayo nga, ito mas ano to, makapit yung. Yan, so nililinis. Kasi madulas yung oil. Ay, galing dyan ah.
Yes, sir.
Alam mo, diver ka?
That's how the pros do it. Sabi sa TLE class ko. Hindi ko nga alam anong klaseng tahi yung tinuro sa akin eh. Up, down, up, down.
Uy. Kumuha ka ng diving license para magtahi.
Pero shout out sa TLE teacher ko. Natuto ako sa'yo.
Anong pangalan ng teacher mo?
Pagmuta ko na po, grade school pa po. Tinuruan niya ako eh. Ano siya? Babae.
Tatahi eh.
Malaki.
Malaki ang...
Si Miss Mouse. Ang tiyan.
Video natin si Mike. Si artista.
Ano masasabihin?
Sige na. Magtatahi pa kasi ako. Hindi pa kasi kami tapos magtahi. Ka na?
Lapit na bro.
Ilan na lang? Mamaya ka pa
Just chill, bro.
Sa hotel na
Relax.
gagawin. Kamusta?
Hindi.
Ha? Oh.
Basic.
Achievement to, achievement. So, tapos na ang day 2, tomorrow official. Morning, 9 AM call. So, pahinga na. Bye. So, official day 3, morning. So, time check, 7 AM. Ito, good morning! Wala pa si Raymond?
Pero naririnig ko yung alarm niya. Hindi na makakita eh.
Tulog ba?
Kamusta? Ano sabi?
Okay na, nakuha na namin, Tito. Nakabit na. Ay, hindi ko alam kung yung sa amin dalawa ni Lu kasi ang kagabi sabay kami screwed, kinukuha yung wiper blades eh. Ngayon binigay na sa amin dito yung Sa amin dalawa lang yung binigay. Ayusin natin to. Kasi natanggal to kahapon. Tapos tingnan nyo to guys. So, Kahapon habang nagpa-practice, nagulat na lang ako, biglang may tumutunog sa likod ko eh. Kumalas yung bumper. So ito, install muna natin para meron tayong cam mamaya. Antayin lang natin matuyo kasi nilinisan. Good luck for today's race. See you. Antayin natin sila Boski kasi dadating sila mamaya. Pati sila mga boss natin sa mud cart, dadating sila mamaya. Antayin nyo sila. Siyempre, bibili muna kami ng kape.
Morning rituals. Kape muna.
Pampalakas ni Raymond.
Pampakaba. Pampakaba lang, boss.
Pampalakas ng loob ng bangga. Para buo yung loob. Buo. Bili mo ng coffee. Ano sa'yo?
Bro,
Ice white mocha ako.
kung magta-try ka ng sandwich dito,
Ano?
masarap to.
Yeah.
Ham and cheese.
Ham and cheese. 150 pwede na. So tapos na ang warm-up lap. Kaso naka 2 laps lang ako kasi sinasabi kong bumper ko sa inyo kanina bumigay na naman. 2. So inaayos na nila ngayon. Kuya! Ay, para makita mo yung ano. Ito yung time nung practice warm-up. So P3. Pero naka 3 laps. 2 laps lang yata ako kanina. Kasi yun nga. Ito si Kuya Jay kasi ano eh.
Ano? Bully.
Bully oh.
Aray ko!
Aray ko.
Huli ako!
Aray ko. Anong nakikita. Yan, so quali in 1 hour. Qualifying. So nag-change siya ng new tires. Yan. Papalit na ng mga brake pads. Naayos na lahat para ready sa quali. So yan, tires. Syempre GT yan. Palit brakes. So yun, see you after 1 hour. Good luck.
Good morning, everyone. Looking forward to seeing the action out there. God bless you and have a great race weekend. See you there.
Guys, nakikita nyo ba ako? Ayan, quali time. So, prep lang kami ni Lou. Bihis lang, tapos game. Good luck!
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Do what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm f***ed off at these f***ing clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it.
Guys, kakatapos ng quali. So, ito yung result. Pakita ko. P2. So, tingnan natin mamaya sa race. 1 PM. See you. Hi!
Overheat. Wala overheat.
Never.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss.
Nakatapos tayo P3. Nag-mischief ako. Papakita ko yung clip dyan. So, dadayon yung kotse. Yan. Kasi every after race, dadayon nyo yung top 3. Para makita nila kung pasok sa horsepower. And wait.
Hi guys! Welcome to the vlog!
Post race.
Yup! Chicks and fries.
Ikaw din? Yun. Wala yung driver natin, pinagpansit ata eh. Sama
Guys.
nila.
Welcome to my vlog guys! Rar!
Pansit lang, tol.
Buti nga daw kayo, fries sa chicken.
Hindi, P3 lang kasi siya, tol eh. Kaya
Rar!
fries. Ay, ano lang, pansit lang. Pag P1 yun, baka steak.
Dad, say hi!
Kalbo.
Smile!
Payag ka.
Hmm.
Ikaw ang pinakamagaling mag-drive sa buong mundo. Pero ikaw lang may kotse.
So,
The best ka talaga.
Pwede, sige na. Pwede na yun. Pwede na yun. Nakapag-chat ako nun.
Sabi ko,
Oo.
ay grabe eh.
Mga supporters, oh. Mga supporters, oh.
sup?
Kasama pa yung buong pamilya, oh. Kalbo!
Beautiful lives.
Beautiful eyes.
Beautiful lives.
Strong yan eh.
Beautiful eyes.
Beautiful eyes.
Galing!
Yo, binabati ko nga pala lahat ng mga ano dyan. Tropa namin dyan. Rah!
Yung kotse mo, sampayan lang pala eh. Oh.
Carbon Lodi.
Carbon Lodi. Ay, baka basa pa yung lamin mo, sampay mo na din dito.
Behind the scenes, oh. Picture na.
Bakit ka wala ko ng braking? Hindi kasi yung ano ko nun, nasa inside pa din siya eh. Hindi, sa kahit na, may butas ka sa kanan eh. May power ka pa. Sayang. Kain mo yun.
Makakapasok.
Bumito ko eh.
Kaya nga.
Siya, paka-full throttle. Ibig sabihin, mas malakas ka. Yes. Third, dito, huwag ka mag-aalalay. Kapag nakikita mo hindi mo white floor na, aga mo doon. Prepare mo. Gas!
Ay, puto yun. Nashoot ako sa ano. Sa band sa labas.
Wala, nakon ka doon. Sayang yun. Nasira ka doon. Kasi yan nga yung, yan yung protektahan mong
Never. Never. No.
Sa isang protektahan mo, kailangan mo prepare mo nito para sila maabutan, hindi ka maabutan. Pag nasira ka doon, it's either ikaw lulusutan o hindi mo sila malulusutan.
Yun yun, wala na yan. Finish the start.
Tapos ito, di ba sumusunod ka? Ano, ibuka mo na. Kunin mo na, buka mo pa, sagad mo. Sinasabayan mo sila eh. Hindi naman yan yung takbo mo eh.
Huwag mo susundan.
Huwag mo susundan.
Huwag mo susundan yung linya niya. Yung linya mo pa rin.
Ayun ang sinusundan mo siya eh. Promeno sa promeno ka na rin. Pwede ka pa promeno doon.
Oo.
Kaya hindi ka makadikit.
Yung braking point mo, yung braking point mo pa rin sa quali. Huwag yung pag nakita mo na brake light sa hihinto ka. Wag.
Ikaw maiwan. Bumagsak na yung RPM eh. Oh, kita mo, pwede ka pa mag-fort dito kanina. Kanina hindi ka nag-fort. Ano, gano'n ka layo, no? Diba, dyan? Titignan mo dyan, braking point mo. Braking point, hanapin mo yung turn-in point mo. Pag liko mo, doon ka tumingin, wag mo titignan yan. Tignan mo exit. Hanapin mo yung braking point mo, preno, turn-in, doon ka tumingin, wag mo papanoorin yung harap. Tignan mo yung mas malayong exit lagi para na makikita mo paano ito to, sir. Alam mo pag mag-unwind ka, wag mo titignan yung malapit.
Yeah, pakita mo on board ko kung paano tumutok.
Ayan, dyan. Sige, sabayan mo lahat. Kasi malakas ka ni. Sabayan mo, sige, sabihin mo, sabayan mo na lahat. Sabayan mo na lahat. Sabayan mo sila dito, sabayan mo. Pero yung entry mo dito, ingatan mo. Para maganda preparasyon mo, dito, nakagas ka na, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Pero ang late mag-gas, oh, nakalagpas ka na, may iwan ka talaga.
Coach J.
So pwede pa pala talaga. Meron pang mga...
Madami mong bitaw eh. Kulang talaga sa lakas ng loob.
Ang mahirap na saksakan yung nasa harapan mo na ipipilit mo. One car yun. May half car na pa dito.
Pinitin ko yung third.
Once na bumitaw ka na, binigay mo na.
Shit!
Binigay mo na.
Aray ko.
Nilibre mo pala. Okay.
Oo. Inabot ko pala.
Sa'yo yun eh. Sabi nga, di ba, ang bait naman kung ikaw pala. Yung bumubo ka, bakit? Kasi magtuling mo na eh.
Coach.
Hindi mo yan bro, para makita mo paano.
Tama yan. Alam mo pa.
Message time.
Bye-bye!
Bye! See you
Later. Bye-bye. So ano to? Sessions. Wow!
Let's go!
P1 ah.
May papakita ako
Champion.
sa'yo, Raymond.
Taylor lang.
Ikaw nga magsabi. Dali ako din mag-vlog para sa'yo
Papagbigay pa to si Pao eh.
Kamali mo sa, di ba, nag-shift na. Kanya na yun eh. Una, yun, di ba? Ikaw hindi kami magsasalta. Ano mapapansin mo
Wow!
Bakit? Dapat. Oo. Di ba? Binigay na. Isa. Antay mo ulit
Binuka na para sa iyo. Oh, kumbaga, nirigalo na sa'yo.
Bino ka na, titirahin mo lang.
Ayaw mo pa.
Ayaw mo pa. Ang choosy mo.
Aray ko.
Ayan na.
Nice oh.
Ayan na, tingnan mo mamaya pa.
Pakinggan mo yung balakat.
Mamaya pa yan towards ka. Narinig ka, tinignan ka niya kagad.
Binitbit niya. Tignan mo nasa king pa lang, mga 200 meters pa bago.
Tignan na sana doon kay ano, kay Colvin.
Aquino.
Sayo mo
You
Di ba fourth na tayo? Dapat tinuloy hindi.
Oh, binitawan niya.
Ayaw na unahan. Magkano ba binayad sa'yo?
Bait mo ah.
Nandun na siya sasabi, ninet off niya.
Tapos ito, ang hot niya umentry dito, wala siyang patience dyan. Kaya ito mo, nasisira siya sa prep ko. Pabitaw, wala. Late na siya, nakapag-gas lagi. Di ba sabi mo, importante yun? Di ba, pati sabi mo, kahit anong mangyari, protekta ka nila. Wala.
So yun guys, no? Tapos na ang day 2. So nag-qualify tayo ng P2. Pero mischief ako nung take off. Pero kaya pa sanang ma-recover. Pero yun nga, for some reason, hindi natin nagawa. So try natin bumawi bukas. So tanggapin na lang muna natin to. Tapos take natin as experience. Syempre, bago pa lang naman tayo. So kakaalis ko ng Clark. Ano na? 5:30. So dito tayo sa Dia. Diyan tayo naka-check-in ngayon sa villa dahil kasama na natin sila Ayamao tsaka sila Boss K. Andyan sila ngayon sa cafe, so punta natin sila. Sa villa. Uy, house tour.
Sensya ka na pre, makaalas na tayo.
Sige, okay lang yan. Binuksan mo na ba yung aircon? Okay, malamig Wow. Ooh, nice. Solo ko. Yes.
Solid ba?
Solid nga, may swimming pool.
Diyan kami magtatawa.
Mamaya gusto ko mag-swimming. Nasaan yung mga tao? Ayun na yung mga boss ko. Hello, mga boss. House tour.
House tour ka sir.
Eat! Mga bossing. Wala. Ini-introduce ko
Tinan
lang
mo,
yung boss.
Tinan mo na.
Okay ka ah.
Okay, Mr. Paulo Ang do the villa tour.
Kaya nga eh. Okay tayo. Okay tayo sama mo. House tour.
Ito yung bahay natin. Okay.
Bahay mo to?
Bahay namin to.
Sige, mauna ka.
Wala yung parents namin dito.
Asa yung magulang mo?
Umalis sila nag-ano lang.
Saan punta?
Magdi-dinner
Sa dinner? Uwi din mamaya?
sa Singapore yata din.
Singapore? Dinner? Aray ko. Ba't ang layo?
Eh wala eh, nag-crave data ng ramen si Mama.
Ramen? Singapore?
Wala eh.
Hindi ba dapat sa Japan sila
Wala.
nagpunta?
Japan na last week eh.
Aray. Uy, ganda dito. Sino dito? Wait lang, baka
Sila,
mapasok na kwarto nila.
Kaya namin yan, gato.
Yaya lang yan? Ito. Nakakayang pumasok.
Dito? Sana na to?
Dito ba kayo?
Hindi. Dito kami, Pops.
Saan kayo?
Dito kami. Siyempre, sinara na to.
Uy, binuksan mo na din yung aircon ha. Okay ah.
Siyempre eh. Di ba makikita dito?
Swimming pool. Nga.
Hindi na mo, may veranda pa pala kami. Ang laki ng bahay namin, di ko na alam.
Hindi mo na alam? Hindi mo na napupuntahan yan?
Nakalimutan ko din yung ng bahay namin.
Hindi mo na napupuntahan yan?
Gago eh, lagi kaming wala din dito.
Ayan na naman to. House tour. Yan.
Ay, yung kwarto nila, ano? Nila
Nila?
Cruz family.
Dito sila?
Yes.
So sila...
Cruz family
Mark yung
dito.
doon. Hindi mo natin nakabukas yung pinto.
Si Mark and Janelle, that's Mau and Mau.
Close mo. Uy, may elepante ka pa dito ah.
Oo, galing pang Africa yan, gago.
Galing Africa yan?
Oo.
Preserve?
Sir, nung nakasama naman sila,
Sila?
sila Boss Chapit.
Okay. Si Boss Chabit!
Nag-anting kami ng
Aray ko,
Eh,
pumalik.
tropa sila ng papa ko, si Boss Chapit.
Binaril ni Boss Chabit yan?
Binakit ng papa ko yan.
Okay.
Parang choice na kung lalaro pa.
Random yung kalaban.
Naglalaro din. Naglalaro.
Boss, magkano?
Oh?
Ito kami ngayon, kakain, dinner, kakagutuman na. Si Boss K, di na makangiti.
On the way, dinner. Itong kasama ko, ano pa to eh. Uwi pa daw ng Dagupan.
Pops!
KJ.
Pickleball is life, bro.
Tumu-tournament din kasi ng pickleball to kung hindi nyo lang alam guys.
Testing lang,
Siyempre.
sir. Kung hanggang saan nang kaya.
Bukas may tour. Saan ba tournament mo bukas?
San Jacinto.
Sa San Jacinto sa Pangasinan yun guys.
Tinig.
Wow, si boss. Ay sorry hindi kita napag-buksan na ng Ay boss, nahirapan ka boss. Tulungan kita boss.
Okay to, bili ako bukas.
Bili ka?
Bili ako bukas.
Lang sa'yo yan.
Hindi, sa pinsan ko to.
Okay. Sa kanya pala, sa kanya pala.
Boss, okay. Bili tayo dalawa bukas. Umpisa kami ni Janelle.
Uy!
Gugulan.
Ay, Kalbo!
Gising pa rin.
Kalbo! Good mood ka pa rin, Kalbo.
Antok na.
Sup?
Tatay ka na, bro.
Oo.
Ano na yung bit-bit mo? Kuya.
You will bring that, sir? Yeah, I can join.
Nasaan yung pinakamahal din? Nasaan yung pinakamahal? Para hindi natin ma-order. Baka may lista sa bill natin eh. Ito yung pinakamura. Ito?
Bawas na yun.
Iniinom-inom lang namin yan sa ano eh. Sa Amado eh. Ito order namin ni Concy. Isa niyan, tapos isa nito. Tapos hati daw kami ni Concy. Sweet naman ni Concy. Si Daniel, pumunta dito para mag-order ng pigar-pigar. Ito mo yung iniinom niyo, nakapila na eh. Bye-bye.
Wala, Pops. Nabawasan na naman tayo ng isa.
Kaya, umuwi ng Dagupan.
Wala.
Si Pickleball Gods.
Tournament, pickleball.
Hi guys, welcome
Tapang
to
pickleball pala.
vlog.
Nakay ng Dagupan.
Ito nga pala, papakita namin sa inyo ang aming lifestyle. Sisimula na po namin ang night vlog, guys. Nakatapos pa lang namin kumain mga sir. And Ito po ang ganap namin for today. Sinusundan namin ang bossing namin na si Bossing. Yan ang aming bossing.
Bodyguard mga bossing. Dito lang tayo.
Ito lang kami, boss. Chillin lang kami. Pag
Innova lang.
Bodyguard
hindi niyo pwedeng overtaken
Pag
yung
may
bossing.
gumitgit dyan, tangin na. Tayo bahala.
Oo.
Isakayin mo na yung kotse mo.
Oo pa. Tangin na. Huwag lang magasgasan ng bossing.
Kirian na, bossing.
Kakaliwa na si bossing. Kailangan na.
Okay.
Hindi tayo magpapasin ng bossing.
So guys, bili lang ng mga supply. Oh! Ang ginagawa nyo dyan? Nakita namin dito yung mga boys, oh. Oh.
Papabili sila ng ano?
Grocery? Grocery kayo? Sila, oh.
Shout out!
Oh, shout
Shout out sa 10,000 viewers!
Ganyan lang yan. Pagod na pagod yung mga yan. Oh. Tama.
So for tonight, we are going to...
Ay, pakita mo muna. Yan.
We are going to the Gmart
Gmart.
for our
Toiletries.
daily needs.
Daily needs.
Ang kaukaw ni Pau.
Ano masasabi mo dun?
Pangkaw.
Let's go.
Good job. Ayan. Ayan. Yung papaya soap. Sabon lang akich. Isa lang. O ito. Ano? Ano?
Pang-wash. Pang-laundry.
Buti pinaalala mo yung balaklava ko. Hindi ko pa nalabahan. Ang galing mo talaga.
Hey bros.
Ang pinamili mo.
Shopping muna tayo ng mga SNG.
Oh. Parang nag-grocery ka pa. Sa pinamili mo, pwede na sa tindahan yan eh. Oh.
Essential lang, Pops.
Pwede na sa carinderia yan.
Mga needs lang natin itong mga to.
Nag-grocery pa, pwede nung sa tindahan itong mga binili niya eh. Oh. Bottled water, tsaka toothbrush. Guys, nag-grocery kasi sila eh. Pagod na kasi talaga ako. Ayun, pumuna tayo dito. Pero syempre tayo guys, maaga tayo matutulog kasi bukas 6 AM na naman tayo. Pawi tayo bukas. Morning, day 3. Day 4 na pala. Last day na pala. So, 9 o'clock yung race. Last race na natin. 9 AM. Mag-start tayo from P4, 4th on the grid. So, yun, tingnan natin. Sana makapodium. Let's see. So, yun guys, no? Hindi na muna tayo nag-practice or nag-warm up this morning kasi may check dun sa kotse ko eh. So, hindi umabot. So, ito sila eh. Yun yung session nila. So, wala tayo. Node muna tayo. 15-minute warm-up session lang naman to. There's Julian. Fastest man on the grid. Ito si Louie. Ngayon natin, lapitan natin siya. Anong kailangan mo, Lou? Anong sabi mo? What happened?
60 to 80, there's a vibration from something.
Gusto mo tawagin ko sila, Well Junior?
I can go there naman.
Eh, hindi, dito ko na lang. Baka ako na. May vibration daw yung kotse ni Louie. So tawag tayo ng mekaniko. Aray pa check. Buti nilabas niya. Winarm up niya. Hindi nakita niya. Mahirap pag mamaya sa race. Biglang... Hey Junior! Junior! Si Louie nasa screw. Si Louie nasa screw. May vibration daw yung ilalim niya. Nagba-vibrate daw. 60 to 80 takbo niya. Lakas daw vibration niya. So lahat lang tayo dito, no? Papasyal ko lang kayo dito, no? So ito yung kotse natin.
Get ready for your warm-up.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me.
No, I think he's even gone down lower. It's we got car number, is it 22? over there for Paolo Ang.
You got to be so impressed with Oliver Estrela's story. You know what? He's a former pit crew member, a mechanic, and now he's getting the feel of how it is to drive the car that he's prepared to race, right? And he's right over there. He was at the start, P1 from, representing Gel Napat Racing from Dagupan. He's from Dagupan, Luigi Agustin Co. The family is actually from there, and they are here at Clark International Speedway to represent novice and legacy categories combined in one grid, a total of 13
Oh, what a
drivers.
nice pass. Look at this beautiful pass over here. Will it?
Per hour on this stretch. If you go all out and then heavy braking zone to the left, there goes the Akashika, the Toyota Gazoo Racing curve. Still bunched up over here. Our competitors in the legacy class. Make sure it's set up to become a street Toyota Gazoo Racing Philippine Cup racing team, and of course the Rally Racing boys, the Philippine Rally Cross Series boys. They are rooting for this man. And now, we're going to see him later on car number 12, John Ray San Diego. For now, we're looking at a very nice
position, yeah.
Yeah, looking like probably he's going through issues. Hopefully not so serious one. Hopefully he can make a comeback. Oliver Auto Works is very on number 68, Oliver Estrela, who's 0.7. He goes by the name of Luigi Agustin Co. All right, straight out National Speedway.
Yes.
It's absolutely free.
We'd love to have you. Incredible races all the way till early this evening. We also have a great band coming up for you. Over October is going to be performing tonight, so see you here again. Entrance is absolutely free. So many booths you can explore. It's going to be an action-packed day for you and the family, so come.
So on screen, which are the older model Viosas. We gave the opportunity to bring them back because that's how we started the race. And it's all part of Toyota's pursuit into making affordable racing. This is part of the template, part of the formula of TGR Philippine Cup is to give you a gateway into global motorsport by providing a very accessible point course, which is a one-make series, which is cost cap. And this is another way of getting people to join in the older cars. And of course, you just keep them in their own categories so they compete fairly among themselves.
And they're rolling on the same tires, GT Radial tires, the official tire of the Toyota Gazoo Racing Philippine Cup. And of course, lubed up with a lot of products from Petron. Tapat sa'yo, Petron XCS, and of course, Petron Blaze 100, one of the Octane Duo from Petron. And there they go, leading to the first hairpin, left-hander, and then another hairpin comes their way in just a little while. They're still bunched up. They're separated by just 0.6 of a second. That's how it goes. Actually, 4 racers here battling it out to be at the number 1 spot. That's Luigi, followed by Paolo, followed by Julian, and then Oliver Aquino. Coach Oye Aquino in the top 4 over here. There goes number 53, Luigi. Right behind him, Paolo, 22.
Julian has Colvin has set the fastest lap so far, so that's also going to throw some excitement into the mix.
And looking at,
wow,
we
they're
talk.
tight.
Oh, here we go,
They're tight. Oh, there was a little love tap over there. That could have ended sideways, but it didn't.
Yeah, looking like there's some significant contest lap to a position upgrade. I think he succeeds. We're gonna double check if number 28 is now on T2. Let's see how closer we can get the camera to number 28 over here and number 22 on their close quarters battle. Actually, they go all out. They're pushing it, definitely. There
you go. Oh my goodness.
Driving all out over here, using all of the gears possible, using all of the revs possible, making sure they're maximizing the grip of those GT Radial tires on these awesome previous generation Toyota Vios Cup cars.
They're so tight. Oh my God.
Somebody just did a lightweight modification, less drag modification. Still the race lead belongs to Luigi Agustin Co, number 53, and he's setting a break. But here they are. Yeah, sweet battle goes on between number 87, number 22, and number 28. The purple lap holder, Julian Colvin, gets relegated. Right? Paolo Ang is right there now, benefiting from that battle. He's at position number 2. That's Team Gel Napat, the team manager for Luigi Agustin Co.
So it looks like it's Oliver that lost his rear bumper. Is that Oliver Aquino that lost the rear bumper?
Coach Oye, yeah, looking
That's
like
right. I think it is him.
about that.
They're still tight. Look at that. That's the same bunch of people. There's
still them.
Look at them. Look at them. Oh, it's a beautiful shot from above. Oh, look at that.
That is a great shot.
That's why we call them athletes. You know, they go relentless as if they don't get tired. Lap after lap, corner after corner. Here at Clark International Speedway.
Oh, I love it. I love it. These are all legacy cars too, by the way. So these are the previous model of Vios cars. You can tell, of course, by the design of the headlights and the taillights. They've changed a little bit, but
of Toyota. You know, even from previous generations, they can still go at it like this. They can race super hard. And these are the previous
That's a good point,
generations.
yeah.
And of course, from the novice class, those are the current generation Toyota Vios Cup cars.
Yes, I just 6 years, maybe more.
Yeah, maybe
No,
more.
probably more than 6 years. I think these could be up to, wow.
Close to a decade old, maybe.
Maybe up to a decade. And a decade on the racetrack is like 100 years on the road,
But
maybe
with the
more.
level, but with the level of technology from Toyota, look at it. You can still enjoy. Even though he doesn't have the fastest lap of the race, he is benefiting from the Oliver Aquino, Paolo Ang, and Julian Colvin battles going on over here. Still at it.
Beautiful.
8 laps to go. 8 laps to go. Still plenty of time for these guys to position themselves second to the top, or maybe until the checkered flag is waved in front of you. You are not going to give up. You're going to try.
Lead is just increasing by the minute. You guys did say that some of these models are like 10 years older,
Yeah.
or something like that. Maybe you should tell them
Oh,
that we are
good-
offering
good segue.
service campaigns, free
Well-
checking to 2001 to 2013. Maybe these can fall under that. They're at higher risk. So if you guys are listening, if you guys are watching us, then do drop the registration there. Maybe these guys should do the same.
Wait, I heard you say free?
Yes, it's free.
This entire race is free, so please just drop on by. Why don't I check what's going on our live stream?
Yes, and you
Let's say
know-
hi to everyone watching.
Yeah, Sprint Race 7, as you can see on your screens over here, the novice and the legacy grid combined, and how are things going on there? If you've not shared this one yet, you better do it now. This is for Philippine Motorsport. Some of the best in the country got gathered up in here. Some of the legendary ones, too. The former champions in motorsport are going to be joining in. Legendary names. You know, look at how these guys continue on. Paolo Ang at P3. And go just like that. Oliver Aquino is right at the tail of Luigi Agusinco now, just a few milliseconds behind P1 racer, number 53, Luigi. Let's see how Oliver Aquino is going to try to do this one on the main stretch. This is a drag strip of Clark International Speedway. You can go up to speeds of more than 200 kilometers per hour on this segment of Clark International Speedway over here with these Vios Cup cars. These cars are fast. Using all the hill in here. That's a little bit of an elevated sector power on these Vios Cup cars. Fantastic stuff by these racers. Yeah, just like that. Oliver Aquino, Coach Oyi Aquino, so close to the quarter panel right over there of Luigi. Oliver Sato Hashimoto on car number 4. He's currently at position number 4 in the standings on there. There's also John Ray San Diego, number 1. He is down to the final position here. For sure, issues are, going through his campaign over here. Too bad. But I'm sure he's going to come back. There are other categories of the day where he can gather more of those points for the final round of race season 2025. It's the Toyota Gazoo Racing Philippine Cup. There goes another drag race to turn 1. And there goes number 22. Number 22 and number 87 battling it out. This is Paolo Ang and Oliver Aquino. Oliver Aquino on the 87, Paolo on the 22.
Wow.
And Julian Colvin, 28. He's right there on, third on this trio of competitors for this category of the race. Well, this is actually P1, P2, and P3 already. Where is Luigi Agusinco? He's falling. He's actually losing position.
These guys have not stopped for the last how many laps?
The fastest lap of the race is 226.2. Car number 28. He's in the top 3. There goes Paolo Ang. Behind Oliver Aquino, Coach Oyi Aquino on the number 87. He's right there on the race lead, representing Tech 7 Project Racing Team. With a lightweight modification, less drag. He did a drag reduction system on his Toyota Vios Cup car. I thought you could only do that on a Formula 1, but in a Formula 1 car, but he did it over here. Less of that bumper at the back, less drag, and the lightweight mod activated. There goes the infamous Toyota Gazoo Racing heavy braking zone curve, aka somehow it is benefiting them because less momentum is lost. You continue with more of the pace of your car, and hopefully this one's going to be another faster one for number 87, Oliver Aquino. He's going to try. Luigi Agusinco did it earlier. Paolo Ang at P2, Julian Colvin at P3. Fantastic battle. R Racing, TDG, Group, Team Mad Kart. The boys from the Gupan also Paolo Ang 22 right there at position number 2, and Julian Colvin representing the Toyota Gazoo Racing Philippines.
Oh, and in the novice division, it looks like we've got John Ray San Diego leading this pack. Luis Moreno is just there behind him. And then we have Ref Bangsil and Masando Hashimoto has just crossed the line. Pablo San Ronald de los Reyes in 12th. And then right down there at the bottom of the
7-star garage. I'm sure they're so proud of what Coach Oye is doing over here. Same goes Palang, all of you over there from Team Handcar, Team Dagupan, all those who are watching from that part of the Philippines. Here goes Palang in the top 3 of the legacy category. There goes another look at our race leader from 7-star garage, Coach Oye, 87, Aquino. Although he's 87, congratulations Coach Oye, and followed by Julian Colvin, and then Paolo Ang.
Yun, so tapos na ang race. P3 ulit, so double P3 tayo. So double podium, started from P4, finished P3, so pwede na din. Pero yun, intense race. Ang daming contact. Papakita na lang ako ng highlights dahil intense eh. Yun. Ito na si Sir Rice. Nasa P1, no? Champion! Stage wise. Ay, good luck, good luck.
Yes. Tubig ka? Okay na?
Tapos na sprint race. So P1 si Ayay sa Super Sporting, P3 yata si Raymond sa Sporting. So good job sa mga teammates. Maganda yung result ng race ngayon. So may endurance pa sila. 3 PM yata. Hindi kami kasali doon eh. So tamang ano na lang kami dito. Hindi na ako masyadong mag-vlog today. Kasi wala nang ganap. Tatambay na lang siguro kami dito sa Speedway. Manunood ng endurance, tutulong sa team, ganun. Tapos, yun. So, that's a wrap for today's weekend. Oh, P1, oh. P1. Oh. Dito. P1. Daddy ni Raymond. Ito, P1.
Yan ang idol namin ngayon.
Champion, oh.
Pangpangga ko.
Ito, ano to? Mud cart to, mud cart. Dayo series. Dayo series yan. Papa-aircon. Oh, yung mga nainitan. Oh, mga nainitan. Oh.
Oh, Michelle, pwede ka na lumabas. Naka-off yung camera.
Aircon. Yan.
Boto nyo to ha.
Oh, boto nyo. So, vlog lang tayo ngayon. Vloggeries lang tayo ngayon. Oh, dyan eh. Makikinood lang tayo ngayon. Tamaraw, showcase nila dahil next year yata magkaka-Tamaraw Cup na. Ito sila.
Bilhin na. Paano tayo dalawa? Samahan mo na rin ako IC dito. Graduate ka na sa BIOS. BIOS na. Kukuha si Tito rin eh. Kukuha na.
Video na lang tayo. Start na ng endurance. Pit crew. Ito nyo. Lasing ka na naman yata.
Super Mario.
Ganun damit. Congrats.
In the sporting division.
Oh, that's where he went off onto the, little off-roading over there. Little Gus.
Yeah, great to see.
Sama.
Idol kita.
Congrats.
Let's go!
Vlog ba yan, kuya? Thank you.
What's up sa 10,000 viewers?
Next season again Congrats.
Feedback ng boss.
Good job siya sa first season niya. Next season again. See you next season.
Daniel, ano masasabi mo sa first experience mo sa race?
I'm so honored and grateful that I'm part of the season Season 3 of Mr. Paulo Ang's game here in Clark Speedway. So congratulations!
Sulit.
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
Tapos na po ang botohan, guys. Remind ko lang.
Nangangampanya pa din ang boto.
I would like to thank the sponsor of my brand.
Shout out.
Shout out and wash
Shout
out.
naman.
Super saya naman. Hello guys. Magpapasalamat pala ako sa lahat ng mga suporta. If you know, you know. If you know, you know.
So yung kotse natin, ready na. Sinakay na siya, uwi na siya ng Dagupan. Ano sir? Dito ko lang. Pauwi na. Hoarding.
And then we have the Yaris, and then we have the Supra. Let's kick things off now with the time attack with.
And let's move on to help award the winners of our time attack races. The AVP for marketing.
Congratulations, Paolo, and thank you, Mr. Seth Poligano, for helping us award our racers.
This time now we're going to be impressing the presence of Mr. Edwin Vidal, Assistant Vice President Marketing for AVP.
Rising Star, ay Challenger ata.
Awesome recognition.
Paulo
He's in the right spot now, and now you can call on our second placer for Spread Race 6 and 11.
Congratulations, guys. We now move on to right ahead to the novice class.
Coming in, we got Red Bounce! We're presenting a huge contingent of team members straight out of the Dagupan, Mantrap Dagupan. All racing DDG group, second to the top, Mike's not the radio man.
Our racing TDG group, Matt Park, congratulations to Raymond Kumbala!
It's a 1-2 finish for our racing DDG group, Matt Park. There's a money side also, there's this guy over here, Raymond Kumbala, the champ.
Rolling up from our racing TTG group, Matt Carr.
Iwan mo na yan.
Paulo.
We have a huge representative racers from the Dagupan. Based our racing DDG group, Matt Park. Congrats. Congratulations on winners. Right now, we proceed to the next class.
We are proceeding to the novice class this time. Spread Race 7 from All Racing TDG group, Matt Park,
Michael Bryan. Always in the group, they got number one. AKA the champion right now.
The Titos are well represented on the podium today.
So impressive.
Give it up. For the endurance race, we're going to kick things off with third place, the Prospect.
in cooperation with Guason Racing, Driving Dreams, Thrill Motorsports, Toyota Financial Services, Get There Together with TFS.
That's a wrap. Pagod.
Meron pa tayo.
Hey, shout out!
Shout out sa 10,000 viewers!
Ilan pa viewers po? 5?
5. So guys, power nap ako dahil super pagod. Ito din power nap. Kakagising. Just woke up. At kakadating ng dinner namin dahil wala kaming internet. Hindi maka-order kanina. Dinner. Dinner. Hello. Kain. Siksikan oh. Dito kami. Ay, tapos na kumain. Busog na. Dito kami kakain dahil siksikan Doon sa kabila. Chicken. Food vlog.